Everyone thinks the best-selling tonneau cover for Chevy Silverados is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Gator Soft Roll-Up. The Gator Soft Roll-Up truck bed tonneau cover caught my eye right away. Priced at $219, it promises an easy, no-drill installation and a sleek, low-profile design. If you want a reliable cover that fits your 2019-2026 Chevy Silverado 510 bed, this is worth a serious look. This cover is specifically designed for your truck, which means no more worrying about compatibility issues. The patented Stay Closed grip keeps it securely in place, so you won't have to stress over it flying open while you're driving. Plus, the spring-loaded tension control system ensures a no-sag surface, which is essential for keeping your cargo protected and your truck looking sharp. With a solid 4.5-star rating from nearly 1,900 reviews, users appreciate its performance in various weather conditions. Here's the thing though, if you're moderately handy, you should be able to get this installed in under an hour. For those who aren't, you might want to consider professional help, but the quality of this cover makes it worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, low-maintenance cover that protects your gear and enhances your truck's look. Skip this one if you're looking for something with more rugged features, but for the price, it delivers great value. Now, if the Gator's installation concerns bother you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Tiger Auto T1. Next up is the Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. At $199.95, it's slightly more affordable and has a fantastic 4.6-star rating with over 2,700 reviews. If you're after a cover that combines quality with ease of use, this is a strong contender. The built-in horizontal crossbars provide support when the cover is laid flat, giving you peace of mind that your cargo is secure. Plus, the Velcro side seals and latch lock system at the tailgate create a tight barrier against rain and dust. With over 100 positive reviews in the last month, it's clear that this product resonates with users looking for practicality and durability. Now, some buyers mention that it can be a bit of a hassle if you have an over-the-bedrail bed liner, as small holes need to be cut for installation. But here's the thing, most users report that the installation is straightforward, and once it's in place, it works like a charm. This is perfect for you if you value a reliable, budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality. Skip this one if you have a specific bed liner setup that complicates installation, but otherwise it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a more robust design. Product number 3, BAK Backflip MX4. Now let's talk about the real truck BAK Backflip MX4 hard folding truck bed tonneau cover. Priced at $1,149.99, it's at the higher end, but with a 4.3-star rating and over 1,100 reviews, it aims for the premium market. If you want top-notch security and versatility, this is worth considering. It fits snugly with your truck, keeping water out thanks to improved seals and tight-fit clamps. Real Truck has tested this cover in extreme conditions, from -40 to 180, ensuring that your gear stays dry and secure no matter the weather. Users rave about its durability and ease of access, making it ideal for those who need frequent bed access. Now, some buyers have pointed out that it's a bit pricey compared to others on this list. But here's the thing, if you're looking for a cover that offers superior protection and can handle the toughest conditions, the investment might just be worth it. This is perfect for you if you need a heavy-duty cover that's versatile enough for all weather conditions and provides exceptional security. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, but if you can swing it, you're getting a premium product. If you want something that's a little less bulky but still offers good protection, check out our next option. Product number 4, Caffrey Hard Trifold. Next up is the Caffrey Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, priced at $474.95. With a solid 4.7-star rating from 422 reviews, it's a popular choice for those who want a balance of durability and ease of use. If you want a hard cover that's easy to install and offers solid protection, this could be a great pick. The hard fold design made of FRP and aluminum panels can hold up to 400 pounds, making it a sturdy choice for secure cargo transport. This cover also shields your gear from harsh weather conditions, ensuring it's protected from heavy rain, snow, and dust. Plus, it's designed for quick installation with no tools required, which is a huge plus for anyone who values convenience. However, some users mention that it can be a bit bulky when folded up. Here's the thing though, for a hard cover, that's often the trade-off for the extra protection it offers. If you're okay with that, you'll love what this product brings to the table. This is perfect for you if you prioritize security and durability while still wanting something easy to install. Skip this one if you prefer a low-profile cover that doesn't take up much space when folded, but otherwise, it's a solid investment. Now, if you're still looking for a soft option, let's check out another solid choice that might fit your needs. Product number 5, Tiger Auto T167. Finally, we have another Tiger Auto T1 soft roll-up truck bed tonneau cover, this one designed for the 67 bed. Priced at $207, it shares many features with its shorter counterpart. With a 4.6-star rating and over 2,700 reviews, it's another compelling option worth considering. The easy no-drill installation means you can get it set up quickly, and the Velcro side seals ensure it holds up against the elements. With 50-plus purchases in the last month, it's clear that this cover has a dedicated following. Now, some users did mention that it's not compatible with certain versions of the Silverado, which could be frustrating. But here's the thing, if you check your vehicle's compatibility before ordering, you'll avoid any headaches. This is perfect for you if you want a quality soft cover that fits a longer truck bed and offers great protection without breaking the bank. Skip this one if your Silverado has a specific configuration that doesn't work with this cover, but it's a fantastic value for those it fits well. To wrap things up, we've covered a range of tonneau covers today, from the Gator Soft Roll up to the BAK Backflip MX4, each catering to different needs and budgets. So there you have it. We explored the Gator Soft Roll-Up, Tiger Auto T1, BAK Backflip MX4, Caffrey Hard Trifold, and another Tiger Auto T1. Each of these tonneau covers has its unique strengths, whether you're looking for affordability, security, or ease of use. Take a moment to think about what matters most to you, and happy truck cover shopping.